So it looks to be a little wider than my current storage. But we gonna see. I really wanted the hot pink one, but of course it's sold out. So I got with the white one because it matches my vanity perfectly. So we're gonna just put it in place. See, it's hanging off just a tad bit right here. I don't like that, but yeah, it'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. So let's go ahead and get her set up. So I have all these little miniature perfumes, fragrances, if you will, in this little tray right here. And that's mainly why I bought the mini toolbox, so I can just display my fragrances really cute. Like this tray was really, really cute. I'm going to put this tray to use with something else, but I just really wanted to use this. So let's see how it's going to work, because I don't want it to affect anything that I have, like my light right here, and I wanted to leave it open, but it's not gonna, it's gonna block that. I don't want it to be falling all over the place. So it's gonna be covering up my plug right here, so I don't think that's gonna be too bad. I could just move the door a little bit right there, but I wanted that lid to have something to lean on and not possibly fall back down. So let's go ahead and style with my little miniatures. I have like these cute little Coach miniatures. Now I have a whole bunch of rollerballs and mini travel fragrances for like Bath and Body Works and pink. I'm gonna use the second drawer or the second area right here to put that in. Well, that sucks that this does not go in straight like this. And if I would do it like this, I can't put, how many can I put in there? Not many. I have quite a few. Maybe I can stack them. Will I be able to stack them? That's cute, right? Oh, okay. That'll work. Yeah. Okay, in this bottom drawer, I wanted to put some of my lip products in there. I don't know which ones I want to put. So I'm just going to randomly put some, because I have quite a bit. I don't know why I changed my voice. That was so corny. I'm just going to put a few in there just to get the process going, because I was so excited to do this. So I have like Juicy Couture lip balms, Too Faced. I'm just gonna randomly put them in there, and I'll organize them at a later time. So I want to get the max capacity. And all these lip glosses I'm not keeping. Well, I will be buying the second part to this. So, super cute. Put all my NYX products in here. Things I grab from on a daily basis. Super cute. Oh shit! Really? You really gonna do that on camera?